Emergency alert system. The United States has issued a civil danger warning. Important instructions will follow. 12 hours ago, the sun became dark red color and is burning up people. Please avoid sunlight as you will become a creature known as SCP-001. Avoid sunlight and moonlight because you will burn up and become an SCP-001. Reports say you will become a creature of SCP-001 if exposed to sunlight for at least 45 seconds. Images of victims exposed for 1 to 10 seconds is on our SCP website. If you have to go outside, cover yourself with at least 5 layers of clothing all over the body. If you see an SCP-001, run away as far as possible. If you hear what sounds like an SCP-001, try to hide. If it spots you, you're probably going to become an SCP-001. The creatures also have the same voices of when they was a human. If you hear voices telling you go to outside, do not listen to them, they're an SCP-001. It's estimated that 6.5 billion people have become an SCP-1. This message will be retransmitted shortly. Thank you for listening to this information. We hope the best for you. May God save us all.